Good morning. Good morning to all the second BCom computers and general students. Subject is principles of insurance and I am Kathiyani madam teaching you the principles of insurance, and today's topic is one of the important long answer which is going to be compulsorily asked in the final examinations. So we are going to discuss about the topic. What is the question is notes of today's class. I am explaining the notes of very important questions for final exams. It's very important. You can note down the questions also. These questions what I am sending now are from second unit. Okay, these questions are from the second unit. So the first question is, discuss about risk involved in dying too soon and living too long. What is the question? Discuss about risk involved in dying too soon and living too long. Okay, so this is about the insurance. It's a risk and it's risk management. So answer, I am explaining the answer. An individual being an economic enterprise may expect some earnings and some expenditure in the future. So first point, what is telling, every human being is considered as one enterprise, means business unit. Every individual for the insurance organization acting as insurance, under the insurance products we are acting as one business unit, where we may expect, we have some earnings of course, as well as we also forego, or we may face some expenses in future where we may not have any plans for that type of expenses. So the flow of this earnings and expenditure is uncertain. So flow of this earnings and expenditure, so what we are earning today and how you are going to spend today, with spending earnings we are saving, but the spending situation may not be there suddenly for the events which may occur in future. So there are two types of risk what we expect in future. It is dying too soon. At early ages also the people are dying, and you are able to see in today's generation we are living in a completely polluted atmosphere. First point. Second point is, the food whatever we are consuming is not having any nutritional value. Second point. Third point, the medicines whatever we are eating, which are preferred by the specialist doctors also, are causing many types of side effects in these human beings. Clear? So many, in this way if you talk about, many situations are there, many circumstances are there where the life expectancy of the individual is decreasing. What is life expectancy? In olden days, you can see your grand old parents and great grandparents, they used to live up to 100 years, 108 years, 102 years, etc. But nowadays, you are able to see the lifespan of the person that 40, maximum 50. Okay, if 50 also, they have already some issues in their body. So this type of circumstances are leading for dying too soon and living too long. If they are very lucky and if they are consuming a good nutritional food, they are following all the health tips, good diet, etc., they may live too long also. As well as it depends upon their body immunity levels also, which makes the person to forego all these problems and stay in this polluted world and live for too long. So for the insurance company, if you are dying early also, it is a risk. If you are living too long also, it is a risk problem. For whom? For the insurance company. Clear? So these two types, how they are affecting the insurance companies or the insurance organizations and the premiums what you are paying, we are going to see. If a person dies too early, then his earnings will be cut off, which affect the family and dependents of the deceased. I think you understood the first point very clearly. If the person is dying at a very early age, what is happening? Whatever he is saving It may be in insurance or it may be investment or in any securities he is saving. So these all savings are going to cut off when the person dies at the early age, which is going to affect his family as well as the people who are dependents on him. For them, there may not be any livelihood of income for that people. That is the first point. Whereas living too long is also a problem to meet old age expenses when there is no earnings. If you are lived for a long period and there is no income at all, okay, you face very dangerous critical situations in this present generation. So dying very soon also is a problem to you as well as your family, as well as living too long also is a problem for you as well as your family. Clear? All these risks are handled by life insurance company. So these type of situations can be handled by the life insurance by accepting the risk management experts ideas, and it is encouraging the people in India as well as outside India to invest, to keep some security on their names, the financial security which is going to help for the future unexpected events which can be impaired by financial income. It may be short term, it may be medium term, it may be long term. Today if you save or if you invest, which is going to help for your future benefits. Okay, the offer they offer, who is offering? The insurance company is offering the life insurance proper, disability insurance, annuities and health insurance. Various types of insurance products are there under insurance corporations and insurance companies. In these few are given here. One is insurance proper, one is disability insurance, annuities and health insurance. Annuities means what is the income which is received to you after the maturity of the policy in installments or periodical payments, how you receive your pension or how you receive your salary. In that way, if you are receiving the amount from the insurance company, what you saved comes under annuity, and various types of annuity plans are there. Depending upon your opinion, the company is ready to pay according to your interest. Health insurance, it may be for individual as well as for the family, as for the group insurance. Many types of health insurance are there. Term insurance are also there. Disability insurance. So the insurance company is going to pay for you people. If you are the policy holder, life insurance pay a specific amount to dependents when insured person dies. So the person who made the policy with the insurance company, who came into contract with the insurance company, and after paying for so many number of years, if the person expires, okay, the amount what has been saved with the insurance policy is going to be given to his dependents or the person whose name is mentioned as a nominee or the beneficiaries. For them, the insurance company is going to give this to a total amount with the interest rate. Disability insurance provides some amount of earnings to an insured person unable to work due to accident or illness in an organization while an employee is working due to breakdown of the machinery or the fire accident in the organization or the electrical shortcut, what you'll say, up and downs, fluctuations in the electricity. Any incident has been happened to the employee and any part, any limbs has been damaged for the employee and he is not able to earn, means if the person gets the insurance, means join the insurance, means disability insurance is going to be provided by the insurance company, as well as some of the organizations are also providing the compensation to that type of employees. Annuity are useful to overcome the problem of living too long. How the annuities are helping is, annuities are paid in the form of pensions to the people, senior citizens, and sometimes it is paid lump sum also according to the individual's details and wishes. So this annuity is going to help the people who are living long age. With investment of part all retirement savings, annuity gives monthly income as long as a person lives. So the investment or the retirement saving, whatever is existing with this customer, that is going to be paid in the form of monthly income as long as the person is going to stay alive. Health insurance covers all the medical insurances. Health insurance covers all the medical insurance. Insurance is based on statistics of mortality, that is death, and morbidity, illness. So insurance is based on two statistics, one is death and one more is a illness. It is not easy to predict death or illness of an individual, though it is predictable to find death rates of large population. By the statistics, by doing the surveys, by the calculation, we are able to understand how many people are dying. What is the rate of infant mortality? What is the meaning of infant? Children, small children who are dying. Death rates. What is the death rate? What is the birth rate? Also, we can find out very easily by conducting the surveys. Of course, it takes a long time and it consumes many information. Getting the information is a little bit critical only, but we can know what is the rate of the death, percentage of the deaths in India or outside the country and large population. Whereas we can't estimate when the person is going to become ill health, means he fall illness or he is going to alive or he is going to die. We can't expect, we can't predict this type of things. Insurance companies compute probabilities to fix the premium. Probabilities. What is the meaning of the probability? Any event may happen or may not happen. Today, rain may come, may not come. India may win the match or not. We can't predict or explain clearly. So that type of situations, insurance companies, for that type of situations, it is going to fix some premium rates. Life insurance companies offer many saving products. Life insurance companies have many different types of products. Like the marine insurance, hull insurance, fire, road accidental insurance, medical, health. Many types of insurance are also there. Motor insurance is also there. Endowment plans are there. Whole life insurance plans are there. Many types of insurance are existing with the insurance company. Depending upon that, we can join the insurance companies. All the insurance products mainly aims at covering two types of risk, that is dying early and living too long. The product or policy which covers the risk of dying early is the term insurance, and the product or the policy which covers the risk of too long is a pure endowment. So clearly he is telling that the policy which is covering dying early, you are dying very early, means that type of insurance comes under term assurance, and the product or the policy which covers the risk of too long living is pure endowment. Pure endowment is for too long living. Short living is term assurance. Both term and pure assurance are considered as basic plans. Both the policies are considered as basic plans. These two plans are combined in different proportions to develop other plans which are referred as traditional plans. These two plans are combined in different proportions to develop other plans which are referred as traditional plans. So this is one of the important long answer for your final examinations. I request all the students to go through the answer. You can maintain the notes for this answer also, and in detail also you can write the answer. Very important answer. The next question in the second unit is define the insurance, discuss the various aspects of life insurance, and the third question is explain marine insurance, its scope and different types of marine insurance. Fourth question is what is general insurance, explain the risk faced by the owner. What is motor vehicle insurance, explain different types of motor insurance. What is IRDA, what are its objectives and functions. Define insurance terminology, what the common terms used in insurance. Are few important questions in second unit. I request all the students to note down the 7 important questions of the second unit, and you start a revise for the final examinations. I request all the students to revise. Please do revision sitting at home. Please don't waste the time. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.